Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Express Screencast with me, teacher Markie. Today's lesson focuses on GED science, specifically chemistry, and this would be part 6 of my discussion for the same subject. And our topic for today is all about solution and properties of solubility. So at the end of the discussion, every one of you is expected to explain and differentiate and identify factors affecting solubility, including its types. Now, we start with solution. Based from a previous discussion, a solution is mainly a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. That means if two substances are physically combined and you cannot easily identify the parts of it, that makes it a solution. Excuse me. And for example, you mix salt with water and you stir it up. That is an example of a solution. And on a solution, it can be connect or it can have two parts. You have a solute and a solvent. So a solute are substances that is being dissolved, and solvent is the one dissolving the medium. So solute itself is considered as a medium. And for that manner, for a saltwater solution, the solute is the salt and the solvent is the water. And next, solubility is the amount of substance which will be dissolved in a given amount of a particular solvent under a certain conditions. For example, temperature and pressure. Now, we have here this one like a diagram for temperature and the one that you have in there for the grams of solute. So in this case, which substances has the highest solubility at 20 degrees Celsius? You're right, that would be potassium iodide or Ki, the one that you have in here because that's the highest, which can dissolve 130 grams of it at an exact 20 degrees Celsius. And next, how many grams of potassium chloride will dissolve in 200 grams of water at 60 degrees Celsius? So 200 grams, that would be 90 grams. You're right. Now, for all solutions, we have here soluble and we have insoluble. Soluble is technically the one which will be dissolved, and insoluble is the one which will not be dissolved. And for liquids or liquid solution only, for example, water and vinegar, we have the word miscible, which means will dissolve. Miscible is only being used for liquid solutions, for example, water and vinegar mixed together. That means if they combine together, that means they are miscible liquids. They will dissolve. The opposite of that would be immiscible, which will not be dissolved. For example, you combined oil with vinegar, and that makes it that solution. Therefore, those liquids are immiscible. Now, general concentration terms. For example, unsaturated solution that is defined when less solute is dissolved in a solvent than is possible under the existing conditions. We have saturated solution when as much solute is dissolved as possible under the existing condition, and supersaturated solution when more solute is dissolved in a solvent than should be possible under the existing conditions. So you should take note of these three based on the concentration of the solute being dissolved on the solvent. Now, we have factors affecting the rate of solubility. First, we have heating. And heating increases the rate of solubility. That means the higher the temperature, the faster would be the solubility of a solute within a solvent. We have stirring. If you stir a mixture or a solution, that would increase the solubility of it. Same is true with increasing the surface area. So the greater the surface area, the greater the rate of solubility. Now, for solids, in general, the solubility of a solid in a liquid increases as the temperature of the solvent increases. And for gases, in general, the solubility of gas in a liquid decreases as the temperature of the liquid increases. Now, on this manner, we have Henry's law, which states that solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas over the liquid. Now, since you already have an understanding about solutions and the solubility, including the factors of solubility, let's try these examples. What would happen if a single seed crystal were added to an unsaturated solution? The answer is that it would dissolve. How about a saturated solution? You're right, it would sink to the bottom and it would not dissolve. How about a supersaturated solution? Exactly. Crystals of solute will start precipitating. That means it will not be dissolved. Great job and congratulations for reaching this far. That ends my discussion for today, and for the lesson summary, you should not forget about the concentration or the amount of concentration, such as saturated, unsaturated, and supersaturated, including the factors which affect solubility, such as temperature, surface area, stirring, or that could also be known as agitation. Now, for the references that I made for this video, you can read in advance Cambridge Chemistry 3rd edition or visit ck12.org under Physical Science Middle School. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. If so, you can give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Or since you are here already, you might as well subscribe to our channel and click the subscribe button down below. You can connect with us at www.phuketpals.org or go to our visit or go or visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/phuketpals. If you have questions or inquiries regarding our organization, you can give us a call or message through line or through our number 081-417-0978. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next screencast. Bye everyone!